What's going on, guys? I hope you all are having a really good day. I definitely am, because I just got my brand new iPhone 8. So this is a 64 gig unlocked iPhone 8 product red. Just bought it a couple days ago on eBay, refurbished, for $364, I believe. So yeah, let's go ahead and dig into the box. So I'm really excited to open this. I have currently an iPhone 5, but it's got various problems, so I mean I can't really use it as a daily driver or main phone. So yeah, this is going to be pretty nice. So this was a Verizon unlocked phone, but it's CDMA and GSM, so as you can see it says Verizon. I mean, it was listed as CDMA and GSM, so I'm really hoping that it actually is CDMA and GSM. So I got it in almost perfect condition, according to the thing, as far as their used products went. I just gotta figure out how to open this out like this. I don't know which side's the top, so I'm going with this. Here we go. Here it is, just in some little bubble wrap. That's really protective, isn't it? And looks like they stuck a sticker on the back, which oh, it's in the oh, this is beautiful. This is so nice. This is in perfect condition. Aside from that, why would they stick a sticker on it? Like you're supposed to put that on plastic or something, and then stick plastic over the. That's just retarded. But whatever. I'm glad I have the phone, and luckily this comes off easy. But yeah, here it is. It's in perfect condition. Wow, this is a lot better than it was described. It was described to have just like some, some kind of dents or scratches or something, but I'm not seeing anything on this. This is in mint condition. I don't know if the screen's dirty or it looks like there might be a little bit of a scratch, but no, it was just dirt. But this phone is perfect. Perfect size. I love it. So let's go ahead and turn it on for the first time. I'll clear some stuff off. It might be dead. Yeah, it looks like the phone's dead, so I'm going to go ahead and charge it up. And yeah, we'll continue with the setup. There we go, so it's powering up now. I got it plugged in just because it's dead, so yeah. But this thing is in perfect condition. It's a little bit dirty, I got fingerprints on it already. But, it does look like there might be a little bit of a scratch on there. But that's okay, I don't mind. So, here we go. This is the setup. I'm going to move the camera so you can get a better angle, and yeah, we'll go from there. Alright, so here's the phone. I'm going to go ahead and press home to unlock it. Choose English, United States. I'm really sorry if this isn't in focus or if you can't see much of it. I'm going to go ahead and set this up manually. Connect to my Wi-Fi network and I'll be right back. So now it says it's activating phone, or yeah, it says it's activating your iPhone. I don't have a SIM in this, so I'm hoping that it doesn't need a SIM to activate, but we'll find out about that. Alright, cool, it doesn't. So continue. Yes, I'm going to set up Touch ID. Use Touch ID. Okay, so here it's, oh, the battery is full, but it wouldn't boot up with it on. That's strange. Alright, well, whatever. So here I'm just going to transfer over my info from my iPhone, and I'll come back soon. I'll make another video of first impressions on this phone, what I think of it after about a week of using it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to start using this iPhone. I'll see you guys in the next video. Oh yeah, I forgot there's a couple more things in the box. I really don't know how to open this, so we'll just, okay, like that. So you do get a Apple charging brick. This is like, you know, definitely used. I think, actually no, it looks brand new. Let's see. Come on. Oh yeah, it's got the little peel tab on it. So that's nice. Brand new charge brick. Go ahead and take that out. Yeah, that's nice. And then here's the cable. So yeah.